Spanish learning through curiosity. I am a dedicated Spanish tutor and I am thrilled to embark on this language learning journey with you. Curiosity is your passport to an immersive and enriching language learning. We are dedicated to connecting learners with expert tutors and offering meticulously designed courses that caters your language aspirations. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, Curiosity is here to empower you on a journey from fundamentals to fluency. With its practical approach and cultural context, Curiosity enables you to explore, communicate, or bridge cultures through language, fostering a more interconnected world. Join us for a thrilling language adventure. My name is Namna and from today we will be learning Spanish together. Spanish is Espanol and Spain is España. Spanish is Espanol and Spain is España. Let me tell you a little bit more about Spain. Spain is located in the extreme southwestern Europe. Madrid is its capital and euro is its currency. So where is Spain located? Spain is located in the extreme southwestern Europe. The capital of Spain is Madrid and its currency is euro. Well, today in our very first Espanol session, we are going to talk about well-known places and attractions in Spain. What is Spain famous for and why do people study Spanish? So let's begin. What is Spain famous for? When we hear about Spain, the first thing that strikes our mind is football, as soccer is a huge part of their culture. Spaniards are known for their love for football. El Clásico is another thing that Spain is famous for in the world of soccer. The next thing is, Spain is also famous for its controversial stance on bullfighting, which is referred as corrida de toros. Corrida de toros in Spanish. How do we say bullfight in Spanish? We say corrida de toros. Repeat after me. Corrida de toros. Bullfights in Spain occur between April and September and usually on Sundays. The next thing is La Tomatina. La Tomatina is one of the most popular festivals in Spain. It is considered to be biggest food festival in the world. This event takes place on the last Wednesday of August during the tomato season. It starts with a parade and through the town. Once the parade is over, the real fun begins. This festival lasts for an hour. So name the biggest food festival of the world. It is La Tomatina. The next thing is the world's famous Spanish dance is flamenco, which consists of 4 components. How many components? 4 components. That is cante, that is song, baile, which means dance, palmas, which means hand claps, and toque, which means guitar. So one has to skillfully combine all these components to make one elegant dance performance. So which is the famous dance in Spain? Name the famous dance in Spain. It is flamenco. Flamenco. Repeat after me. That is flamenco. How many components does flamenco consist of? It consists of 4 components. Name them. The first one is cante, which means song. The next one is baile, which means dance. The next one is palmas, which means hand claps. And next is toque, which means guitar. So the next thing is Spanish siesta is well-known tradition in Spain. It is a mid-afternoon break that typically lasts for 2 to 3 hours. Many businesses and schools close for the afternoon so that the employees and the students can take a break. Siesta is a great way to relax and escape the heat of the sun. It is a tradition that everyone enjoys and looks forward to. So siesta is a mid-afternoon break that typically last for 2 to 3 hours, in which everyone takes a break from their work. The next thing is some well-known places and attractions in Spain. The first one is Madrid. Madrid is a modern metropolis with a connection to tradition. The capital of Spain and the largest city is home to a number of universities. It is a beautiful city mixed with old and new architecture. The next one is Barcelona. Barcelona has a rich cultural heritage and is today an important cultural center and a major tourist destination. Barcelona has architectural marvel of Spain's famous architect Antoni Gaudí, which include La Sagrada Familia, Park Güell. Barcelona boasts a variety of museums, art galleries, theatres and flamenco shows. It is home to largest football stadiums in the world, that is Nou Camp. This is La Sagrada Familia. The next place is Granada. Granada, it consists of many notable architectural and artistic monuments. The Alhambra is the most famous monument and one of the most visited tourist sites in Spain. The next is San Sebastian. San Sebastian is renowned for its culinary scene as well as its beautiful beaches. It is also famous for hosting international events such as San Sebastian Film Festival. The city's rich history and stunning architect adds to its allure. The next is Costa Brava. Costa Brava. Costa Brava is a coastal region in northern Spain. The area features an ideal summer climate, stunning beaches and plenty of nature. And the next place is Cordoba. Cordoba is famous for its leather work. It is known for its historic technique for guadameki. Cordoba is known for its historic technique known as guadameki. Cordoba is famous for its leather work. It is known for its historic technique known as guadamesi. This leather work comprises of design that features gold, silver and colored paints. So, Cordoba is known for its historic technique known as guadamesi. The next one is Santiago. Santiago is best known for its street dancing, nightlife and amazing tourist attractions like La Moneda Palace, La Plaza de Armas, Central Market, etc. Now let us learn, why do people study Spanish? As we all know that Spanish is the second most spoken language in the world. Also, 406 million people speak Spanish as their native language. Along with Arabic, English, French, Chinese, Russian, Spanish is one of the official language of United Nations. It allows people to travel to Spanish-speaking country and get to know about their culture. It also improves job prospects. In this session, we have discussed well-known places and attractions in Spain, what is Spain famous for, and why do people study Spanish. See you in the next session. Nos vemos en la próxima sesión. Chao.